Baking a fully cooked ham, a temperature guide.
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to answer a common question when preparing a delicious and tender fully cooked ham. What temperature should I use to bake it?
What does fully cooked mean?
Before we dive into the temperature specifics, let's clarify what fully cooked means. A fully cooked ham is a ham that has been pre-cooked and can be eaten right out of the packaging if desired. The purpose of baking it is primarily to heat it thoroughly and often to add a glaze, not to cook the ham itself.
The ideal temperature.
So, on to the main question. The ideal oven temperature for baking a fully cooked ham is 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. This ensures the ham heats evenly without drying out.
Baking time.
Now that we've settled on the temperature, let's talk about how long you should bake your ham. While it depends on the size and weight of the ham, a good rule of thumb is to bake it for about 15 minutes per pound. Remember, your goal is to heat the ham to an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Use a meat thermometer to ensure accuracy.
How to keep the ham moist.
While baking your ham, you might be worried about it drying out. A great tip is to cover the ham with aluminum foil during most of the baking time. This will trap in moisture and keep your ham juicy. You can remove the foil for the last 15 to 20 minutes of baking if you're using a glaze. And there you have it. The optimal temperature for baking a fully cooked ham is 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius. Remember to keep the ham moist and check the internal temperature to ensure it's thoroughly heated. We hope this video has been helpful, and happy cooking!